Discover which Amazon products are on this list. Also, subscribe to the channel. Here you will find more exclusive videos about Amazon products. The links to purchase the products are in the first pinned comment. Techwood Smokeless Indoor Grill. This 1500W electric grill brings the joy of grilling indoors, allowing you to prepare delicious and evenly cooked meals all year round. The grill features a non-stick surface designed to collect and drain excess grease into a removable drip tray. This innovative design keeps the flavor in while reducing fat, making your meals healthier and lighter without compromising on taste. Additionally, the smokeless technology ensures a clean and pleasant cooking experience, perfect for apartments or homes without outdoor space. Whether you're grilling meats, vegetables, or seafood, the Techwood Smokeless Grill is a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite grilled dishes without the hassle of traditional barbecue setups. Garlic Twister 4th Generation. This portable kitchen tool is incredibly versatile and can mince almost anything: garlic, ginger, herbs, nuts, and more. It's perfect for creating flavorful dishes with ease. Need a quick stir-fry? Combine garlic and ginger in the twister for a perfectly blended base. Looking for a fresh seasoning for your roast? This tool has you covered. And it's not just for savory dishes. Use it to crush nuts and create a delicious topping for desserts or add a crunchy texture to your sweets. What makes this tool even more special is its origin. It was invented by a father who wanted to cook better meals for his children. It's designed with families in mind, making it a thoughtful and practical addition to any kitchen. Bear Rice Cooker. Let me tell you about the Bear Rice Cooker. It's not just an ordinary rice cooker. This handy appliance is packed with features to make your kitchen experience easier and more enjoyable. With 4 versatile cooking menus, you can prepare a variety of dishes like white or brown rice, quinoa, oatmeal, soup, and even fondue. It's perfect for meeting all your culinary needs, whether it's a quick breakfast or a complete dinner. One of its most amazing features is the delay timer and keep warm function. This means you can plan your meals with more flexibility, set it up in advance, and your food will be warm and ready when you need it. Unlike traditional rice cookers, the Bear Rice Cooker features a touchscreen panel located on the top. No need to bend over or struggle to figure out the controls. Everything is clear and easy to operate. Cleaning is also super convenient. All parts are removable and dishwasher safe, saving you time and letting you enjoy your meal more. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking for convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. G-Del Vegetable Chopper. The G-Del Vegetable Chopper is designed with safety, convenience, and efficiency in mind. It features a non-slip handle and a stable 1.2L storage container, making vegetable chopping a hassle-free experience. Made from durable, BPA-free ABS material, this chopper is both safe and built to last. It includes 2 slicing blades and 2 grating blades, making it versatile enough to handle all your chopping and grating needs. Best of all, the storage container doubles as a place to keep the blades, saving valuable space in your kitchen. If you're enjoying the video so far, subscribe to the channel. Here you will find more videos about products found on Amazon. Silicone Crock-Pot Liners. These innovative liners are designed to prevent food from sticking to the pot, ensuring your meals come out perfect every time. Not only do they make cooking more convenient, but they also simplify cleanup. When you're done, simply remove the liner and toss it in the dishwasher. No scrubbing or soaking required. Plus, using these liners helps extend the life of your slow cooker by protecting its surface from wear and tear. Whether you're preparing a stew or a roast, these liners are a must-have for hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Bella Flip and Store Waffle Maker. Imagine waking up to the smell of golden, freshly made waffles every morning. That's exactly what the Bella Flip and Store Waffle Maker can do for you. This sleek and modern appliance creates 7-inch, 1.5-inch thick Belgian waffles right in your kitchen, delivering cafe-quality results without leaving home. Designed with modern kitchens in mind, this waffle maker features smooth rounded corners, a soft matte finish, and subtle detailing, offering a contemporary and elegant look. But it's not just about style, it's incredibly functional too. With its flip and store design, you can easily tuck it away when not in use, saving valuable counter space. Whether you're making breakfast for yourself or hosting a weekend brunch, this waffle maker is the perfect tool to add a touch of luxury to your mornings. Cambum Rotary Cheese Grater. Let me tell you about the Cambum Rotary Cheese Grater. It's a game changer for your kitchen. This versatile tool comes with 3 different blades, a coarse shredding blade, a fine shredding blade with varying diameters, and a slicing blade. Whether you're grating cheese for your pasta or slicing veggies for a salad, this grater gets the job done quickly and safely. Imagine grating an entire pound of cheese in just 30 seconds. Yes, it's that fast. Plus, it's designed to keep your fingers far away from the sharp blades, making it much safer than traditional graters. Cleaning up is a breeze, too. It's dishwasher safe on the top rack, but if you prefer, you can hand wash it as well. The parts come apart easily and are compact enough to store in a drawer without taking up much space. Stainless steel onion slice holder. It features 10 stainless steel prongs that securely hold your onion in place, so you can slice with precision and confidence. The non-slip, comfortable grip adds stability, and the rust-resistant stainless steel and plastic construction ensures durability. This isn't just for onions, it's a versatile tool that works great for slicing other fruits, vegetables, and even meats. Kitchen scissors stainless steel. These stainless steel kitchen scissors are a must-have for any home cook. With ultra-sharp, micro-serrated blades, they're perfect for cutting through a variety of foods quickly and precisely. The rust-free design ensures long-lasting performance, and the included protective cover keeps the blade safe and clean when not in use. If you're interested in these versatile scissors, check the pinned comment for the link. Kumul Multi-Purpose Mat. The Kumul Multi-Purpose Mat is an incredibly versatile kitchen accessory with a beautiful offset curve and raised edges for easy handling. Its deep grooves are designed to distribute heat quickly, so you can grab food right out of the microwave without waiting for it to cool. This mat isn't just a microwave accessory, it can be used as a trivet, dish drying mat, utensil rest, baking mat, pot holder, table placemat, jar opener, coffee coaster, splatter guard, food cover, or hot pad for your kitchen counter. It's truly an all-in-one solution for your kitchen needs. Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Presser. This garlic and ginger mincer is a game-changer for anyone who loves cooking with fresh ingredients. Its built-in studs make it incredibly efficient, extracting more paste in seconds. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this tool is perfect for you. To use it, place a garlic clove inside the silicone sleeve and roll it on the counter to remove the skin. Then, use the ergonomic handle of the mincer to crush the clove with minimal effort. No more smelly fingers or tedious peeling. Vokaya Mandolin Slicer. The Vokaya Mandolin Slicer is built for precision and safety. Made from high-quality stainless steel, its food-grade blades are incredibly sharp and durable, they won't chip, dull, or bend over time. Switching between cutting options is as simple as rotating a knob, so there's no need to touch the blades directly. For added safety, the slicer comes with a blade cover, a secure hand holder, and even a pair of cut-resistant gloves. Whether you're slicing veggies or preparing intricate dishes, this slicer makes the process quick, safe, and efficient. Fine Mesh Stainless Steel Colander. This stainless steel mesh colander is crafted for effective separation of liquids and solids, featuring a fine mesh sieve and a long, ergonomic handle for safe and comfortable handling. Ideal for tasks such as skimming fats, removing foam, and straining various types of food. LHX Visual Air Fryer with Transparent Glass. The LHX Visual Air Fryer features a transparent glass design and uses high-temperature hot air to create a vortex circulation heat flow, ensuring even heating for crispy and tender results. Its 5mm thick borosilicate glass frying basket offers consistent temperature control and long-lasting durability. Drizzle Electric Hot Pot Cooker. With 3 adjustable settings, this hot pot cooker is versatile enough to handle a variety of cooking needs, including shabu-shabu, porridge, rice, soup, frying, and hot pot. Its portable design makes it suitable for use in different locations, whether as a travel cooker, for dormitory meals, in rental spaces without a kitchen, or even at the office or during business trips. Equipped with overheat protection technology, it automatically shuts off power if the temperature exceeds 180 degrees Celsius, ensuring safer cooking.